Hi folks, so this part continue for part one. What the steps to open your succeed restaurants in UAE or Abu Dhabi or all over the world. So basically, the second part, this will be the most important step to make sure your business is going in the future the correct way, which is competitor check. Competitor check. Those people, they will be in your life whenever you have a restaurant running, So you have to check your local competitors and city competitors. Local means those people around you, if you in the town, center of the town or downtown or wherever, there is local competitors, one or two will be around you. And the city, whole city. For example, in Abu Dhabi, all Abu Dhabi, and for example, if you in Corniche or Khaldiya or whatever, there is people there, and in all Abu Dhabi. So those competitors very important to guide your forecast for how to make your business succeed. Okay, you have to check them in social media, in websites, the reviews, the bad reviews before the good reviews. Their pricing, their offers, promotions, the photos, the strategy they working with, the service, the quality of food. When you go there and visit, you make site visits and check them, you will understand a lot of things about the business. So you can forecast your business for better than them. And here you will find a different between you and them. And here will start the competition between you all, because they will come check your business also when you open. So you have to check time to time your competitors, and you don't copy them or you don't be like them, you just be over them as well. And to do this, you need a manager to guide your, as I said before, your vision to action plan, and make it nice, make it happen. Okay, and this will come with time. So forecasting, the most important, customer profile, staff profile, research, suppliers, location, competitors check, and the most important after competitors check, to keep your guidelines with quality of food, service, and beverage. You don't change the quality because of less business. If there is less business, so you have a problem, serious problem, you have to understand what the problem. So you don't change your quality of food from fresh to frozen, or you order different quality than as usual you're doing because of pricing. No, this is screwing your business and make your business going down. And it will help you for short time, but it will hurt you for a long time. Okay, so you don't do this, because people already, when they come to your restaurant, they know the flavor, they know the taste. Even if you try things and you like it as an owner, of course you like it, because your mindset will guide you to something cheaper. You will not look at the quality more than the pricing, and this is wrong, trust me. Better for you to have things done according to your plan. And you have to plan things, planning. You just don't work like this, okay? You have to plan things, you have to organize things, where to start, how to start. Then you direct the right person, the chef and manager, to do the menu, not you, okay? And don't copy again anyone, just create your things. And to create your things, you need a creation manager and chef. And if you don't have the experienced chef, at least you have the experienced manager. And by the way, manager can manage front of the house and back of the house, but chef, he never can handle front of the house. If he can, he will never stay in kitchen. You have to think always about this. Okay, so later I'll tell you what's happening. After you listen to this video, I'll tell you what's happening, after competitor check and fix your forecasting. This was very short video. Subscribe and like and share if you like it, and please share it for everyone to make sure all the information will go for everyone, so to avoid mistakes happening around, you know. See you.